Okay, I'm here with Easton. Easton, you want to say hi again?
Hi, Mama.
And whoopsie, what happened? There we go. Okay.
Me and mine.
All right, so we're doing our no, we're not doing that right now.
I finished it.
I know, but remember, I told you.
Can I just?
No, sir, we can't do this right now. I told you this is a dismissal game. Minions is a dismissal game. Okay. But you did your first level on conversation skills, and that was excellent. Okay. And before you pick a game off the shelf, would you do something with me real quick?
How will you put this on YouTube for only Mommy's guys?
Oh, well, because I'm recording it on YouTube, and then I'm going to send a copy of it to Mom and Dad. Hi, Mom and Dad.
Mama.
And then I'm going to send a copy of it to my teacher. Her name is Dr. Griswold. You want to say hi, Dr. Griswold?
Hi, Dr. Griswold.
Hi, Dr. Griswold.
Why can't I watch it?
Well, you can watch it when I send it to Mom and Dad tonight.
But I want to watch it on my iPad.
Well, can't they send it to your iPad? I bet they could send it to your iPad. Okay? And then you can watch yourself. Okay, so...
Why can't you just put it on?
Because I don't have access to your iPad at home. Mommy and Daddy will have to do that.
But you could put it on YouTube.
Oh, I understand what you're asking. The reason I have it on my YouTube channel. Here, I'll show you how to do it.
You have a YouTube channel?
I do. It's here. Push that button and then be careful not to pinch your fingers. The reason I don't just put it on YouTube for the whole world to see is because we're keeping it just with your folks and me and my teacher. Do you want me to help? Mm-hmm. We have an Post-it note apple, and I'm out of my fun Post-it notes, so.
Yummy apple.
Oh, there you go. Watch your fingers. Okay, so Easton.
How do I get the beads out?
You don't get the beads out. It's weighted, so it doesn't fall over. I just need to get the right Post-it notes. So Easton has been using the smiley face chart in class.
No.
You were for quite a while. Can you tell me how it was going? Like, do you like the chart?
They weren't even using it very much.
Did they forget to use it? Yeah. Do you get to use your fidget toys in class at all? No. Do you want to be able to use them? Okay, so what do you think we should do since you've
always have access
to the fidget toys? I think that's a good idea. Should I start making copies of these and give them to your teachers? Would that make it easier? Don't pinch your fingers.
You can't use my suggestion. Laminating them.
I do like that. But remember the day you told me to laminate it? Do you remember what was wrong, why I couldn't do it?
No.
The laminator was out. There was no more lamination.
And
we had to wait. I'm glad you can't drink that. Okay.
Why?
So Easton thinks we should laminate this. So have one in each class that's laminated? Okay, now I have to ask you a question. Do you remember how many happy faces you get to get a fidget toy?
10.
No, there's not even 10 happy faces on here. There's only 5. There's
10
5
sad
boxes.
faces.
That would be so sad. I don't want you to get 10 sad faces.
Money.
We can do that, but come talk to me about this real quick, okay? After I make sure that you're comfortable with this, you have to get 4, right? And what happens, hi Miracle, what happens when you get 4 out of 5 happy faces?
I get a fidget.
You get a fidget, and how long do you get to keep the fidget?
The rest of the class.
And then you put it back, right? Okay, so hi honey, how are you?
Do you want money?
You know, that is not real money. We can't go shopping with that.
Yes, I can.
You want to hold one up for the camera so they can see what you have?
My money's.
But look, if you can't see it, they can't see it. Can you spread it out like you had it a second ago? Can you fan it out? Yeah. This is actually, look whose money it is. Can you read that?
Miss Wilcox.
Miss Wilcox is letting us use her money, so I don't think she wants me to take her money and go shopping with it. Right? Okay. So I have one more question to ask you before we play a game, okay? What happens when you're asked to do something And if you say yes and do it, you get a happy face, right? What happens if you're asked to do something and you say, no, I don't want to do it, not going to do it, and you go and stomp your feet? What happens
fall
then?
asleep.
That makes you go to sleep? Mom and Dad, remember, that makes them go to sleep. That may be helpful information. What
No,
else
it
happens? What else? Oh, don't put it on the floor. You can do that on the table. What happens if you don't do what the teacher asked you to do?
I get a smiley face.
Not a smiley.
I get a smiley face.
No, that was the problem. I think you tried to do a smiley face a couple times.
I get a smiley face.
Okay, if you don't remember what we're doing, then I can't laminate them and take them into class.
I
the
get
toys.
a sad face.
Okay, but will you actually mark it? Or will that make you feel really sad? I don't want to make you feel worse in class.
So if I get 2 frowny faces, I can't get one fidget out.
This is what happens. When you get 2 frowny faces, you can erase the laminated sheet and start over and try again. Would that work? Do you think you could do that? Okay.
Put the money up.
But I have to make sure
Please.
you're... Oh, no, I know. I appreciate you saying please. So if you get a frowny face, will you keep trying and not get upset about the sad face? Mm-hmm. Okay. Pinky promise?
And I want to eat this.
No, don't eat it.